3 Best Dehumidifier for Drying Clothes. Number 1. Humilab's 4,500 square feet 50-pint dehumidifiers for home. The Humilab's 4,500 square feet 50-pint dehumidifier is a great choice for large rooms and basements. It has a 1.7-gallon tank and is quiet enough at only 35 dB. Number 2. Blue 2,000 square feet 25-pint dehumidifier for basements, home and clothes drying. The Blue 2,000 square feet dehumidifier is perfect for basements, large rooms, and homes. This model comes with an integrated air filter and a drain hose, making it easy to keep your space clean and dry. Number 3. Simpson 95 ounces dehumidifiers for home with drain hose. It can cover up to 720 square feet and has 2 working modes. This dehumidifier is perfect for bedrooms, bathrooms, basements, closets, and RVs.